In 1997, scientists captured a terrifying sound all the way down into the ocean. The sound was stronger than the sound of a blue whale, the largest creature on Earth. And the strangest thing? Its source was thousands of kilometers under the Pacific Ocean. Scientists named it the Bloop. Some said it was just the sound of ice, but others thought there was an unknown creature living in the depths. To this day, I'm not sure that Shaw really was that voice. Were you going to go down to the depths?